It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 Mach E Premium in carbonized gray, and it has black AWD interior, seating for 5. The AWD material is man-made, no animal products, and it's got a hatch in the rear. This has a 91 kWh extended range battery. It comes with a charge cord. It's one pedal automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. This is fully electric, 0 emissions, so no fuel goes into it. And because of that, you don't have an engine, you have a motor and a battery. That means that in the front, or the front trunk, you have space to put things, which is really nice. And if you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. We're looking at the front trunk, or the frunk, and that is because this vehicle has a motor and it has a battery, and it charges through a 91 kWh extended range battery. It is an all-wheel drive with an automatic transmission. So you have no engine, and therefore you have this space up front. This is waterproof, which is kind of nice, and let's have a look inside. Origin speaker in the door, and you've got the B&O badging on your speaker system, and as well power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, carpeted mats on the floor, and then you have your lighting controls and your traction control. On the face of the steering wheel, we've got our dark pony. As well, you've got your lane keeping and cruise control, as well as volume and hands-free dialing. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. And then on your dash, you're going to see it says ready, and that is because this vehicle is fully electric. And you're seeing the range off on the side. We're at 100% with 446 kilometers. And as well, we can look in the center here. The LCD screen's nice and large. We can go to the home screen. We have our media and navigation located there, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, our trips, our charging, that's an important one. And then down below we have our dual climate control, heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, heated steering wheel, your fan, AC, and your volume's in the center there. And then we can go into our controls. So we have the different options there. We've got one pedal drive. You can choose your propulsion sound. So unbridled, engage, whisper. You can put an auto hold, and that would be if you're on an incline or you're towing, you would use that. And then on the side, you've got the different options. So you can change things within this location. They all have sub-menus. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. So right in behind you, you've got your center line. Green, yellow, red is just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles. I'm going to put us back into park. And then down below we have a wireless charging pad, a USB-C and USB outlet, a couple of cup holders, and then you've got your dial shifter, parking assist, hazard lights, electronic parking brake. Your armrest flips up, and then this just slides open, and you've got the 12 volt down below, and you can close this up if you want. And then just bring down your armrest, and there of course is your glove compartment. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, universal garage door opener, sunglass holder, and this nice panoramic moonroof. And it's fixed glass and just is acoustically sound, so it just enhances your radio and cuts down on road noise. And you've got that grab handle on the side, just making it easier to get in. This is a fully electric vehicle, so it plugs in, and this is a charge port. We just press on it, it'll release, and this is the regular charge. This is the fast charger. This will light up completely blue to let you know that it's fully charged, and just close it up and you can head out. 10-inch wheels. You have keyless entry keypad. In the back there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just above our pony is where your backup camera is located, backup sensors on your bumper. And this has a power lift gate. What you do is double click your fob, it'll power it open. You can also double click your fob again and it'll close it for you. There's your charge cord, and that's because this is fully electric and you plug it in. And then underneath we have the nice tonneau cover. It's just a screen, it's very flat. As you can see, it's easily hidden away. And you also have an inflator down there, and there's lights off to the side, as well as a 12 volt. And you've got a handle on the right, and then you just press the button or use your fob. It'll chime to let you know it's going down securely, and then you can just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. And you just push the button up here, it'll bring the seat right down for you. You now have access to the back cargo area, and we're seeing a little pouch there with the cord in it. On the back of the seats are anchors to be able to tether baby seats. And then you can also follow the directions here. There is a seatbelt minder off to the side. You just slip it in there, and then just give the seat a push back into the upright position. And in the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders, carpeted mats on the floor, and some pockets on the back of the front seat. Your air vents are in the center, and down below a USB-C and USB. You have a fixed panoramic moonroof, and handles, hooks, and lighting. Sequential LED taillights, privacy glass in the back windows, window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system and pony projection lights, LED headlights, front camera, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.